Have you ever cut your hair yourself? I've cut my hair myself. I've never cut my hair myself. Have you ever cut a piece of paper with scissors? I've cut a piece of paper with scissors. I've never cut a piece of paper with scissors. Have you ever cut vegetables for a salad? I've cut vegetables for a salad. I've never cut vegetables for a salad. Have you ever cut a cake at a celebration? I've cut a cake at a celebration. I've never cut a cake at a celebration. Have you ever cut a piece of fruit to eat? I've cut a piece of fruit to eat. I've never cut a piece of fruit to eat. Have you ever cut your finger while cooking? I've cut my finger while cooking. I've never cut my finger while cooking. Have you ever cut a tree branch in your yard? I've cut a tree branch in my yard. I've never cut a tree branch in my yard. Have you ever cut a sandwich in half for lunch? I've cut a sandwich in half for lunch. I've never cut a sandwich in half for lunch. Have you ever cut a piece of fabric for sewing? I've cut a piece of fabric for sewing. I've never cut a piece of fabric for sewing. Have you ever cut a loaf of bread into slices? I've cut a loaf of bread into slices. I've never cut a loaf of bread into slices. Have you ever cut your nails with clippers? I've cut my nails with clippers. I've never cut my nails with clippers. Have you ever cut a pizza into slices? I've cut a pizza into slices. I've never cut a pizza into slices. Have you ever cut a piece of wood with a saw? I've cut a piece of wood with a saw. I've never cut a piece of wood with a saw. Have you ever cut a piece of cake for dessert? I've cut a piece of cake for dessert. I've never cut a piece of cake for dessert. Have you ever cut a ribbon at a grand opening? I've cut a ribbon at a grand opening. I've never cut a ribbon at a grand opening. Have you ever cut up a credit card to cancel it? I've cut up a credit card to cancel it. I've never cut up a credit card to cancel it. Have you ever cut a cucumber for a salad? I've cut a cucumber for a salad. I've never cut a cucumber for a salad. Have you ever cut a birthday cake at a party? I've cut a birthday cake at a party. I've never cut a birthday cake at a party. Have you ever cut someone's hair with scissors? I've cut someone's hair with scissors. I've never cut someone's hair with scissors. Have you ever cut a red onion? I've cut a red onion. I've never cut a red onion.